Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Blaupunkt BTW Pro earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. There's kind of two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where these earbuds are not connecting with your device, or if they are not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you'll need to set everything up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped off these earbuds. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds and have them forget all of their previously paired devices so that you can set them up with a new phone or whatever, we can go ahead and do that. All you need to do is get the earbuds into pairing mode, which there's another video on this, but real quickly, if you just take them out of the case, they should automatically enter pairing mode with the flashing red and white light, or if you press and hold this button for 8 seconds, it should enter pairing mode. Anyways, once they enter pairing mode, then you're just going to come behind, and on the button on the back, you're just going to tap the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after tapping the button 5 times, it will enter the factory reset cycle, and then turn off, and you can set them up again as a new set of earbuds.